Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Now me, oh, now me be Aiku, one of Belgium. Now I be. I not complete two. Any other one are counterfeits. Yes.
So, madam, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are watching us.
Domo.
Yeah, now me be 002 of Edo Saba Space. Don Prince. So our side, we know for year we know they lack oppression. We know the agreement that they oppress anybody for this our side.
Okay.
You see how so as you complain, so that's okay. I want me you explain what happen between you and Franco Mozuo. What make her they bring your children, they come out, they saga you. So talk everything, the whole world here. Talk everything.
My people, Mona see me, oh. As I reach, na so I rich. For the past 15 years, now I did this house. Almost 20-something years now I did this Belgium. One day, oh, I can't see Frank carry one picture come out. The picture, I can't see and say, I know the woman. Now I can't climb up, oh. Now I say, Frank, what happen? This woman when you carry come out so, now husband as she dey, oh. What happen? I attend their marriage for this Belgium. Now if Frank tell me say the woman na ashi wele. Now no as they talk am. Now say I'm not sure. He said wetin dey happen for Belgium. Why me go talk say me not sure? Now it's okay. I go do my investigation.
Yeah.
So I really do my investigation. The investigation come meet me say the matter not true. But they never carried the matter put for my hand that time. Oh.
Okay. When you really do investigation, you can't find and say the woman where the husband has another person they shop and waiting no good.
Yes. Okay. So one sister, one Esther talk show. Esther talk show husband, which is Jerry. And this man, the husband of this woman, where they do actually well. Esther talk show husband, mama, I seen her 2 times. The same father, the same mother.
The woman where they do actually well. So
the husband.
Esther talk show husband. Now I seen this woman.
No, now I seen this woman husband.
Okay, now I seen the woman husband.
Yes. Okay. See, Esther talk show. Jerry. Esther talk show husband.
Jerry now be Esther husband.
Jerry now be Esther talk show husband. That Jerry mama now senior this woman where they do actually well husband 2 times. So I not talking for the matter. As be saying my country, not the matter for Apple. His husband never call me, may tell me.
Yeah.
So I go see Esther talk show platform. We go to talk for there. I go say, they love each other. Where did it happen? Until where the husband can't find me. They can't give her my number.
But
because the number where
the husband, the woman where they do actually well so.
He can't call me, yes. He can't say make I call, say get what he want tell me. When I read the Africa shop, now the man can explain everything to me. How his wife they do actually well. How his wife go do birthday for this man, what do they call this man where they Italy. And I go remember his name now. Say now his wife go do birthday for there. And now there they can't tell her say this your wife we can't do birthday for this hotel. So you know say now this man now they do actually well with your wife. Now the man say he can't explode. Say why you carry your ex-boyfriend hotel can't they do birthday? You know say it dey against our tradition.
They say that they write Oliver for you, Oliver. Okay, wait. The woman go do birthday for his ex-boyfriend.
Yeah, Oliver, now the woman ex-boyfriend.
Yeah.
Whether they think they friend, I don't know. According to the way the husband they talk to me. The woman na Oliver S girlfriend. All of them go Nigeria. Then the woman, the woman name na Eli. She can't choose Oliver hotel. Say na there you want go do birthday.
Yeah.
So now from there, somebody can't tell your husband say, you know say this Oliver, they sleep with your wife. Now the man say, I don't know. Why you carry in come Oliver hotel? Now it's all fight start another day. Now the way the man talk to me, oh. Now if I start, now the woman carry block, you play what you did they eat. Now it take tear your husband head. Blood, shower everywhere.
Come, if you insult this lady here, I'll block you. Stella, if you insult her again, and the last one I give you, if you insult her again, I will block you immediately. You don't need to be there here. My fans will be here. That they observe what they happen, that they listen. If you cannot listen, fuck out. It's like I like you, Stella.
Lipstick. So, when they tell me the tea finish, now I say, okay, give me all the pictures. Where you take break your head for Nigeria. And the one where you take cut your hand. Now the man can't give me, I can't screenshot pictures. Me where be say blood, really the TikTok don't they like blood.
Yeah.
So now I can't sit down for the matter. Before I sit down for the matter, I really try to settle the matter. I really try to settle the matter. This man not give me wife in wife telephone number. He not give me wife telephone number. I see the matter, see blood everywhere. I say mother. Now I say, now your wife, you beat you like this. Your wife will come from Benin City. She don't know say if she go to her ex-boyfriend hotel, she don't know say na abomination. This woman not be small picky again. This one not be 40 years old woman. Not be 30 years old girl. Huh? She's almost 50. So she know what she they do. Now I decide my matter like that.
Okay.
Because if me come out now go sleep with man, you don't need to advise me. I know what they do. I don't be small picking. So now you born the woman. Now I carry the woman come out for this social media. Now I really beat the woman.
Okay, you gonna beat the woman now because what she do not good.
I can't beat the woman. Number one, why I really vex for the woman can't lie. He say her husband pour hot water for a body. Her husband can't tell me say not being pour hot water for a body. She put water for flask when they say they heat body after they don't burn. She don't look her way. Now he water pour for her body. Because sometimes when they get very cold for this Belgium, it's not even they carry on. Now so cannot be pour water for a body. What you call the happen now? Say police don't drive you come up for house. Say for the past 1 year, in the outside, this woman they is her house. Now say why should you get that heart like that? Man, when he carry you come Belgium, he go there outside. You go eat, you go sleep, you go even go party for this house. You boy not even shake you say your husband there outside. Why is this woman wicked like this? So now I decide now so they beat this woman. After they beat this woman, they caught. Now your husband they call me every time. Every time.
That's the woman husband.
The woman husband. He go they send me.
They beat the wife. The man still they call you.
The man they go they forward many video come, many video, many voice call, many voice call. So if I they play this woman voice call, I go they analyze them.
Yeah.
How they use our own voice, our own word, take the beat them.
Okay.
One day, now Frank call my platform. This Omomebo, this Frank, he can't call my platform. When Frank come my platform, now Frank can explain everything to me where. So as Frank explain everything to me where, now I want play so.
Okay.
Now my platform, now Frank come
Okay.
Now I play so. Frank come.
Family, everybody power tap. Let's go, please. Share the live stream. It's a very serious issue. They have been bullying this woman for a very long time. So make she talk everything. More we know where she for error or where she for right. I believe say as she dey talk her on the listing. So I bet my tell me so not here because many of them still can't talk.
I be one rest for the matter. Say I don't beat and rich. Now Frank, now he engineer me. Mona listen to Frank Victor voice for my platform.
You okay now, Frank?
I see the marriage. Oh yeah.
You got to agree or if you. Ogwona ije oje bode the video.
DJ Jesus.
Mama
Iyo wona egune. Iyo wona egwu.
No, where they show? Mona no say no be me dey in platform. Now he dey my platform.
Yeah, almost will call your platform. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, he come my platform. Now he dey talk so.
You got to agree or if you. Ogwona ije oje bode the video.
DJ Jesus.
The video ya manu una.
Boss,
Iyo wona egune.
David.
David, oh, that friend Okwono wa ashi wele.
Okay, David is the husband of the
yes.
Of the woman.
David, Mama Jerry. Now he senior David second time. Yes. The same papa, the same mama.
So Jerry family now. Now that they Colobi now. He wife. Another person Colobi Jerry wife.
Yes.
Okay.
And the man could be Oliver for Italy. They said the menu now only Oliver name the
show. Oh, the social media oh and this one that obtain where I'm at it go. Status of it go. Okay, we
you wanna give go.
See ye can we break by any man.
So was the marriage oh yeah.
You got to agree or if you.
Oh yeah.
Ogwona ije oje bode the video.
DJ Jesus.
The video ya manu una. Iyo wona egune. Iyo wona give egwu ebo na mu bu yoku na oyoku na wu.
DJ.
Yeah. Ogwona gige. Osla ina do confirm engwe oge. Ona wuye ma ge. Ha de no ari people gie. Ogwona. I want to hear it present you awayela. Iye ge yari present oge. Ana iye na ya vem book of ye go winye ma ge. E boy na igbiše. I went to be that clear. Oh, e David e mate ye me ge aye.
America ye na yari okwo ye ma me ka investigate.
But when you know soon, any bunu wa mind you understand.
I don't know say Paris of
Ude iye uda when susu no yila wa.
Yes.
Na ye, ona ye. Resiste di poti ordinary ya ti je. Ordinary no fu. Ya we last year. Na bere the year now. You understand? When you Benelli, and you're really Benelli.
Yeah.
They will be a gear. Naya Nibugo.
One my say, you gonna me boy, my say, I do me dark in over again.
Ozeni do a Paris Atita. I live here with the busy, okay, with the video store, the video Zigo, the video go. Oh, you know what, Tanya? I want if I want to give you the ticket to Yadi. Understand? And then you go down. But not so you a blacky, a ducky. A ducky does if I want to go the tickets. All of one.
It's a Belgium one now. I'm a very Paris, give an Paris 2 hours.
God bless you.
2 hours.
Oh, no, if you go on. Now you're more boy. If you not do bomb. On a regret, you are dead boy, and I'm baggy, not baggy, and I'm with the video. Every night, I'm one. Every night, you are more ye, and I'm more early.
So, what's the marriage? Oh, yeah.
You got to
Enemy wa una na me wa forward the giwe.
No, back then, mami na. Back then.
And when we TikTok, you know, or phone.
Okay, your phone. Okay, your phone.
Phone.
Make I explain, give them. Let me explain. The record where this woman play now, this is the record of when this woman was sagaring the lady where go rare. Now, you hear me so? The lady where go rare, and this woman, the sagara. You hear me so? And this lady, the saga, Frank almost will come climb the lady platform. As she climbed the lady platform, Frank almost will come to join this woman. They give her more secrets of what did happen for waiting the saga. Because they tell them the way this lady, they use the family, the lady family, don't be this one, the woman where they give, don't give her back now. So the way the family, the mother of the lady, they spoil your husband. The way they use juju for the husband, now juju they carry the man they call David. And what they use beneath the talk just now. So Franco Mozo went to this woman platform and persuaded this woman, give her more words to use against them. So what you do when so now Mozo now go back to go and join the woman, the saga you now. Be what it can happen.
Yes. What it can happen after we don't do all this one finish. The man, the David, he can't win the case for court.
He can't win that woman for court, okay?
He can't win that woman for court, say, not being poor or total for a body.
Yeah.
Now, the woman use mistake, poor or total for our own body.
Okay.
They can say, as waiting the man tell winner, as a poor or total for your body, you not call police. And you not come up for the house. Now, the house you see there. Now, yeah. Judge can say, now lie you they talk. Now judge can stroke that one. So now everybody can happy. Almost will consider happy for your platform. Me consider happy for my own platform. But their marriage is still there. The man signed divorce. The woman not signed divorce. Everything finished. He never take again. Frank Omoswo still carry another woman again. Whether they call Eliza. He carry an entire platform again. Eliza.
Who can be Eliza again?
Eliza na best friend to this woman for Belgium.
Okay.
Eliza na goddaughter to David.
Okay.
Eliza na goddaughter to David.
Okay.
And Eliza na David wife mother, godmother.
Yeah.
Eliza na godmother. Na Eliza na goddaughter to David.
To David wife, I understand.
No, to David himself.
Okay, Eliza na goddaughter to David.
To David.
Okay.
And David wife na goddaughter to Eliza.
David wife na goddaughter to Eliza.
Yes.
Now, person when they do goddaughter for that one can be goddaughter to your husband.
Yes.
Okay, I don't understand now.
So he never say he carry Eliza picture after he don't beat Eli where they do Okpo Miliki with this one where they in Italy. When he see I say money not come out from that one because David not pay anybody.
Yeah.
He can carry Eliza come out. As he carry Eliza come out, he carry Eliza picture boy for a platform. Now say this matter be done rest now. David don't win the case for court. Wait up again. Now I can climb up. Now I can say, hey Frankie, why now? Where you foresee this one carry call again? As I talk and say, where you foresee this one carry call again? Me no say Eliza Day comment session. One day I want to go shopping street. They know they see where they park for shopping street here. Now I enter tram. As I enter tram, now I jam Eliza for inside tram. Now Eliza they ask me say, Aiku, why you address me as Onona? Why you not say Eliza? Why you say one of them Onona Mure? Now I say E.
Probably I say you let her die for there.
Now I say E. Onona. Now he make you vex upon everything where Frank talk for that live video that day. Everything, oh yes, seke. Wait till you talk for Eliza body. So, oh no. Now he offend you. Now I say, wait till concern me for inside by the way. Now they say na me dey bedroom. As if say na me dey bedroom, anything we fraud do there for Italy, now me they go bully. Now I tell us they not born you well. They not born you rich like that. Mona go meet Frank. Make una go beat him. And secondly, you, Eliza, you not find out who carry your matter go give Frank. Now that one you supposed to define. No a person will say, oh no. Now you say make Eliza say make I leave that side. I be juju woman, I know they lie. Eliza, he tell me say make I leave that side. She said she know who carry her matter go give Frank. Now it's okay.
But hello, not be you carry Eliza matter go give Frank.
Never.
You feel swear?
Yes. If na me carry that matter go give it, I be Ugboni woman.
You be Ugboni woman.
Yes. If na me carry that matter go give Frank. If I ever carry anybody matter from Belgium, go give Frank Victor, make I die untimely death. All this my Shango, all this my Oloku, all this my Eziza, may they back me. May they not work for me again.
Okay. You still talk say if not be you give her, you still swear give her muzzle.
If not be me go give a Moswa, Frank Victor, Frank, no be ye koeti. If not be me go give her, Ogumo to keep Frank.
All the juju will swear for yourself will return back to Frank.
All the juju way swear, all of them go return back to them. If na me go give her, all the juju go return back to me.
Okay, correct.
If not be me go give her, all the juju way swear for my enemy children, he go they use he pikin where they Nigeria, where they there with her, and his wife, everything go return to their house.
Obey.
With immediate effects.
Okay. So in the area where you did now, the area where the lady where they talk just now, when I jump for a side tram, we can tell you, and that area you did now continue from there, not go make mistake.
Okay. The woman called the talk. He said, you know, come down from Trambo. He said, anywhere where I come down, he go come down. When I come down for shopping mall street,
Yeah.
now she come down. She dey shout. Hey, wah, 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 wah. Hey, wah, 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 wah. If he kiss somebody, go jail. She don't fair go jail. She can beat 3 women. 3 man. This woman, everybody know her here. She go beat 3 man. She be strong woman, but she not get sense. Lisa, she not get sense.
That Lisa so.
Yes. She beat 3 men where 10 men will be like yourself. Everybody know her for this bedroom. Now fighter, they fight like mad woman. Now I say okay, if now say I talk say where you for carry see this one carry come. Sorry, no verse. But for your information, go look for somebody where they carry on a matter. Go they give Frank. This one is getting too much. Where Frank they know everything. Now in Lisa, I swear with my juju. Now in Lisa tell me, say, make her not worry. He know who they carry their matter, go they give Frank. That's okay. Bye bye. Oh. Now she still tell me bye bye. Do ogo bye bye. Now I come out. Then because she say because that woman they really she feel kiss somebody. She feel kiss somebody, that woman. Now man, only I don't know why God give her to. Now man. So in another tenor, I just see 2 of them from my neighborhood.
Oh, the Lisa.
The David ex-wife, where be Lee. Omomebo one of Paris.
Yeah.
Now David go carry come from Paris. And this Lisa, I just see 2 of them from my neighborhood. So I can't say that the threat when she threat, he say he want buy me. Now I say they don't already know my neighborhood. Now I say now I go there. When I read there, now I see do video for there. Now I come out. Me they not go the tea say because you talk say one by me don't go like that for a side bed. Fear not go let me come out again. Now I go there, I do video, I enter house. Then the Eli come out. This David Miliki where they fuck for all the party where they go. Where Kokobiri use pre-test scatter a womb before the David marry a come Belgium. This woman, nobody where she they respect. Now it make me no one stand for that matter 100% to settle for them. She know they respect me. Now like she dey talk. She so disrespectful. She's so disrespectful. David S. wife even respect the past Lee. So if I go into that matter, I go feel settle them. But I don't want to go in. I talk small. I beg small. Now I rest. I don't say if I push, they go settle. I want to make this girl come up for bed joke, pata safe. I know they lie, oh. I know they lie, oh. I wait to my mind that I'll be juju woman. Then, now there, Lee come make video. He can't talk, say, me get a toto. As me get a toto, her husband still get my pekus, my clitoris.
That is the Eli where you say be like Maso.
No, the Eli where a adulterous woman.
Okay, the
Eli trying to revenge.
That's David's wife.
David's wife. Okay. They try to revenge by all means.
Okay, but for it to say, David husband, you date
David. No, where I go date David? Moi, me I know you saw the David self. Lie. I no date David, never. Everybody know me for this bedroom. My guy's name, now it be this woman. She go use that to the selfish. She also they use another person to the selfish. I feel that she money. I feel could give you. But these pecus they use her selfish way.
Pecus, I beg you.
I beg you. Why? Because I pack my children come. And my children responsible. If my pikin want do marriage for Belgium, who I want put for chairman? If I fuck everybody. Lie. David no know the color of my pekus. Never. Eli know very well. Eli is just trying to revenge for herself. That is why Eli talk and say, my clitoris, my enemy clitoris, is there with her husband. Because me talk and say, Eli, if you not come up for David house, make David come back home. I'll carry your pekus come out.
Yeah.
Me, I don't get Eli pekus. Now just saga.
You're using a sagara.
I just use a sagara. So now Eli come to say, okay, as you say, as me say in pekus there with me, my enemy clitoris is there with your husband. Now if from just then Eli comes to make one word, say, as soon as they beat me for this media, all of una go fight, kill yourself. So Eli don't go do the jazz. The jazz now, he can't catch from Vito, he not catch me.
Because why you don't say catch from Vito? Because normally from Vito fed day your side. He fed day your side. So you can't ban and say, what you can't change? When you change overnight.
It's your change. And Eli use that to take brag.
No. Even when my experience, they go give fracking. They don't go give frack money for back. Me, they tell you what it did now. Like the way you can't explain, give me now. If I be person where they collect money, before I come out, I first be you first. It is just so, the way you don't come to report to me before I come out for this life. So presenter, don't first be you first. That's what they do. Now let me know they collect money.
Okay.
They say so, don't first be you. If you don't say enough, you pay. You carry the matter, go give for that person. So, Frank Omozwo, before you call the saga you like this, one of all those people with the toss, don't go meet and give her money, say, Larry, Frank, help him, you will not, you'll give her like 500 €. Frank will change the next day.
You see this one now. This one where use me and David take open fake account. Say David fuck Aiku 80.
You know,
Is my enemy. I don't know her before. Now I don't block all of them from my platform.
they insult you since they insult you.
All of them they here now.
So may you not look comment. Definitely.
I don't look comments.
Everybody not feel like you. You leave comment, not look comment.
Two things now I lead talk. 3 things. Aiku, you say my pekus dey with you. I want to tell you now, say your key stories dey with my husband. That is one.
Yeah.
Then another one, as soon as they beat me for this media.
Mama, I bet 1 minute to may I have this person question where they under this fake account. May I ask what to be up? Hello.
Now me be this.
Hello.
Yeah,
Now
I
David
cool.
be that.
Now me be this one. You saw
Hello.
waiting. Nobody
Come,
drive.
wait. You all come my platform. Hello, where you? You all come my platform. Wait till you taste that Aiku. Now me be this one. Anyway, you live.
No, he say now one of the breeders say hey,
As you call this platform, as a woman who you are safe, you not supposed to respect people where you can see here. You seen everybody wait there here. People where they watch us who say yeah.
Wait now, I'm not now you and Aiku now. Aiku said that one of the breeders now say hey, now meet there before I want. Greet you first.
You know why you talk? Many people they insult us since.
Yes.
No, my picture be this, don't please.
Now,
No, my picture tell you fake account.
You be this one now. If I not vex, my talk to this woman.
But not talk to them. Now me you want to come on. Now me the interview. You listen to me. Leave that woman first.
Okay.
Because now they cause wahala for this those about space.
Nobody.
If they say may you show your face, now you know if you show your camera. If they say may you open your camera and you go they hide.
Talk with you. What time I hear you?
Okay. So now this lady Aiku, how you tell her?
Aiku mess with my family.
Who is your family?
The family of Omomebo.
The family of Omomebo.
Yes.
How you take mess with them?
He can't carry our big mommy may die. Can't carry a picture come out. He can't just swear. Swearing for Omomebo wasn't our problem. You understand? The problem is he can't just swear for the grandchildren. He can't just kill egg. You understand? That one I point us come out. If you ask her now, we never come out. Since the cause of Omomebo, we not come out. You understand me?
Okay, but so not so you dey here since when she tell they explain everything the way they start.
I dey hear her.
You hear where you see I say me see swear. If you don't ever sleep with Omomebo husband. My sister, they hear me.
I dey hear you.
Okay. You see, wait till they saga Aiku for now, they put a picture. Me, I want to ask you, may you swear. Everything where you they saga her for now. Let me say ask you your whole. Everything where they saga her for, where be say you never hear from her, or you never hear from in life, you get the way to the saga person. You fair hear for this side, hear for this side. You know if you just say because now my sister, see what they happen. Your own sister now that they talk say if they do they chop her for husband so.
Aiku Richard, this beauty so Wahala at in here. Your eye Richard say my sister go the do burger for outside.
He say his husband. Listen.
That the stupid husband. More go kill me go no devil one. Now can I go give Aiku now?
The stupid husband. That means your sister husband a stupid man. Listen.
Stupid man.
Now stupid man. Now your sister they open toto from me they chop every day.
Not they marry her again.
Okay, waiting make your sister husband carry matter. I can't give her Aiku.
Because they two of them they fuck themselves.
Okay, now here you there. Okay, may you swear if David they fuck Aiku swear put no see.
See, I tell you, I'm the one carry me come
on. You first swear. That is allegation. As you talk now say, listen. Swear say I believe say David they chop Aiku pekus. I believe.
My brother, you don't understand me so. If with Omomebo, you should not be my problem. My problem is saying our big mommy may carry come and I mean the bitter put. You understand me?
You know because God knows my heart. Men were muladin, man were muladin. Una do atebone your grandchildren, you were insulting them as in all protein in Aladia.
So you say you insult your grandmother, my sister. Wait now, because this matter now don't they go on that location now. you see Frank where they talk about matter now. And when he bring your sister matter come, he say now Frank, now I can't ginger her well. The same Frank, now they support your sister, now they fight her. Oh my damn Hilario.
See, if you know, you should take come out, Mr. Come say, Aiku, why you they beat me? Because you the open leg for my husband. You understand? So Frank can't call that place. You got to say, he they beat adulterous women. Say, Aiku, when they against adulterous people. Why be say they talk your own, you not can swear. Aiku one can't come out. He say, if you fuck the video call,
But don't be here the Aiku, don't be here the Aiku they swear.
when you wait now, you swear. Now what she fed talk? Now Frank take hold against her. You understand? Me know they talk all this right, they call all those things. But my big mommy when carry come out. Now me they beat her put. You understand? Now me they say she go come out her picture for her wall. All the swear the egg will keep. You go drop everything. Then me go free her. Then you tomorrow go continue to the fight. No problem. You understand me?
My sister, may I tell you something? You know, say your sister they call Omomebo. Now she and her now get misunderstanding. She you and your sister be not going to misunderstand you. Aiku husband now he carry the matter come give her based on as a presenter. See what they sup.
Omomebo husband.
Omomebo husband. Now they talk so. That's David. So David carry the matter come give her. He call the analyzer. If now people like we, now David gon give. And I be Omomebo. Go ask question. And I be Omomebo because for this our platform, for this social media, we they beat all those women where they husbands where they go to shop. If you see what they beat them, yeah. If to send a person like me, now David commit. Tell me, say my wife, bros, I beg you, my wife, if they suspect her or person they chop my wife. Not be the one that they beat her Ikuso. Now me not for the beat now. Me so.
He never accused Omomebo flex. He never accused her. Even when they call her,
You said David never accused her.
he never accused her say flex.
But this lady said David no tell her now.
Because a family of them manager don't accuse Omomebo, And you know, they will that way.
A Jerry family.
They work money here. Things fall apart. Who know Jerry for this family? All you should do is come here that we have your.
David on Agbo. Where David on Agbo. What you on Agbo? Lare. David on Agbo.
Degbe mwere pa. Degbe mwere. Ije Jerry. O sinye David ukpogeva oviera vije.
Degbe woman. Jerry on awuwo Agbo no a. Wete awuwo la dia.
Ije Jerry. O sinye David ukpogeva oviera vije.
Qui est fait si vous avez
Ali moi pichi jamais la tien. O si me na be mo la tien.
Hello, call brother.
On a ne lisi o ogbe palu palu ma.
Zegbe lare madam, zegbe wa me la get talk everybody get everybody get freedom of speech.
On a Lisa.
Brother,
Frank
call
Muya Bulojo.
My lady Mudia 1 minute.
Yes,
Aiku moi we ve talk about you do tout. Even now where talking after. I told him.
Brother, call brother Bota. Mo Elizabeth. Elizabeth K, yes.
Okay,
now Imam wa gwansi o. Imam wa gwansi, but I want to send the link igwe baba na lao.
So,
you know what dame ho. Okay.
You are going to speak English so that you carry everybody along, I beg.
Okay. Somebody send me this link now. You understand? Why send the link? Somebody send me the link. You know, okay, ni lao, brother, La go. You know what's when investing? Yeah, I see I can remember what's when investing. It may not type, but you know what when they don't mention my name before. Where they talk, brother. What can want me let me ask this woman?
Yeah.
Because me I'm not gonna let the matter slide, because the person where they pull life for your head, no, if you let the matter slide. Let me ask this woman. Make it swear, brother, if I ever kill anybody for Belgium, make it swear, put. If me even see the person for eye with the key, if me even let them sin, make it swear, put. Then number 2, if 3 men when they talk, say, you don't die for my chest, say the 3 men don't die for my chest, brother, make it swear, put. Say 3 men don't die for my chest. You understand me? Because that one, that's serious accusation. When they go accuse person.
My sister, I bet no
dey hear
yes.
you.
See, I
Yes,
think everybody dey pepper. I bet you feel open camera, most you dey talk.
I dey come.
Madam,
This one, you know say no be fake account, oh. You know.
I got interview.
Me ma wa ma ti mi an fake account we.
Okay.
Mudane mi le dey Aiku. When you oyo be judge aga go anana. Una
He
uwa.
dey ni mute.
So that again what we now we have to treat our own matter. So my lady lazy, please can you open your camera? Let's see.
See me.
Press save. What they see you press save. You not sure. For
Ti me hia wo so ihe atete ahụ o se na we ni mo je ni ba tie mo na stand na remove
these are
that.
the face where I'm a better way say when you say na better way say.
Give me.
So apart from the man now, apart from this one, you and this one first get wahala before. I first get
Brother,
misunderstanding.
I swear down for God, if me and this man get any problem, may God punish me. I don't have any issue with this woman. You understand me? I don't see the reason why this woman is trying to damage my image and damage my reputation. And it may not diane or no more than your boy, no wahala. Bo. I ask him, you understand? I have no business with this matter. But please, can I remove my camera? Let me talk to
Remove
you.
your camera. Remove your camera.
Okay.
Remove your camera.
Okay. Please, what I want you to help me to ask Aiku. I beg you, I'm not sending you message. Like she's there right now with you. She's on the phone with you. She's on the TikTok with you, or even with me.
Yeah.
Star, I want you to ask this one to swear. If me, Elizabeth, I've ever in my life killed somebody before. In
Omomebo here.
Sorry, where?
Okay, mujani yana talking. Well, like talking, I no mago, no la there. No, we pa.
If I ever,
like TikTok, ni mo la. So no easy see. This way we hagi manner.
brother, are you hearing me?
Anyway, madam mujani 1 million. Tell me about him, and I'm mujani. Not tell me I know what 9 and the way. So my brother,
look at my balance. The others in a row were been.
Where Mudiane, we can.
Ya guria mota frakota, mota. Modo sienwa. Isienwe.
All right, we can see.
Umati safe. Frakota.
I beg. My brother. I beg.
Jamais Frank.
I beg.
Anyway, tayen on na we
Ara mota bo anagbe me. O en bo hina. Ara mota. Bo anagbe me.
My brother, well,
Frakota. Mota.
Lady Aiku Mudia. Let's finish with our sister Lizzie.
Me wa we.
Okay.
Me ati eti mu pe na na be mu enu umati safe.
Lady Aiku la kapo.
Ideni mute.
Myself, money do am be na me. But I will say kabonu am. Okay.
Mudia mama Mudia. Lady Aiku ya we no ogun like we. Ni e wu die me. Master na but e matter na ogo duan ya wona. So my lady Lady Easy. Lady Mama when it's
Yeah.
Mama when it's
I'm hearing you.
you. So now
yes, brother, brother.
This matter now Lady Aiku explain her since the way your got enter. So when did they
brother, me not even the when they I'm not even hear.
Okay. So you feel give patient, make you explain again as you dey now. Waiting concern for this matter, make you explain to the whole world. Move for year again, you feel it.
Brother, make it the talk. Me I dey hear, brother.
I mute you, make you hear, make you explain again. Waiting concern for this matter. So me if you understand.
Thank you, boss.
Okay. So mama, meet inside the way.
Mute you're muting.
Okay. So explain. If not it matter now. So let the whole world hear again. Since she's here.
What's happen? I see the Omomebo picture come out early. Yeah. Now Frank, now I climb up. Frankie, this woman, her husband, she do. Now Frank say, whether me no know what they happen for my country. Now I say, I know this woman very well. She even be friend to Eliza. That is this Eliza.
Yeah.
when I come down, now one of our sisters for there say, Sonia, Omomebo arena, the Sonia Eliza, anyone with Tase, now friend to Eliza, Elizike, or we are seeing. I were dineze a funny man of ringy, Eliza, no what's me. Or we me ya sweni Frank, you know, we are with her. Ite ata miya we, remini ata miya we, imayagi. Ige Omomebo we, egbe iveri o. Ruda, Osie, Eliza, a goddaughter, or a David. Ite ata, but Otima no reba no bere wima, o makwenita, eina unwa. O when agagi sweni yeme na o, nagagi sweni na wama, igi sweni we, legwi. Emma na drop a phone. O talemi ya mama ebe no yaja sunuwe ne David ita recommend kegbe eina ewere then ayibe gbe elifone iye wa emwe pishe Elizana iye wa emwe woduku ena we aina igi mako Frankie where you no ọwọ́ pé àwùjọ ẹ̀wẹ́ ọwọ́ lẹ́hànú ọwọ́ gbọ́mà wà ní ẹ̀nà yóò dúkú náà Frank
Omozuo Italy nana.
yóò talẹ̀ nana iná wẹ̀ Frank wáyé náà bẹ̀ mìíràn múre ìhí tẹ́ni ẹ̀nà wọ́n mọ́ ìdí òtótọ́ o.
I better speak English, me carry everybody along.
Okay, Frank carry this woman picture come out after we don't beat Omomebo finish for the adulterous where her husband says she be.
Yeah.
Then the matter don't finish. Oh, Frank just carry this woman picture come out. This Eliza, Elizike. Iwage Frank Iwanyanya, Frank where they Italy. Omozuo. He said this Eliza. He said, "100 may be 10 may be nenemi may don't die for a chest as they sleep with her."
Yeah.
He said she don't kill somebody. He said don't bad person for Belgium. I know the truth. He don't tell where I dey here. Now I climb up. Frankie, why you na be mure?
When Frank they pull life for this woman, you can't climb to support.
He not concern me whether na lie. Now what if Frank talk? You not concern me.
I know.
No, you go deny for this woman.
Wait. See what I try to tell you. I say when Frank they talk, you can't climb, but the lie they tell you what say now lie. Frank.
No, I'm not talking like that. Oh, I not be make get Frank platform.
What you
As
talk?
Frank they talk, say this woman wait dey here so say many men don't die for her chest.
Yeah.
As they make love with them.
Yeah.
Say she be this, she don't bad person for Belgium. Now I climb up. Now I say Frank, why you foresee this one carry come out again?
Yeah.
After you ask her that question, now I say, instead of the talk, the same thing. I not come do pem, now I just come down. Because this woman don't feel want me, man, not the talk for a matter again. I know what I for talk for there. Because you don't feel want me, not the talk for a matter again. Now I make me call her honor. Because if I make sure her name, he say why I make sure her name. Now I say why you foresee this one carry come again. Now I come down. Oh. So no, he said this woman dead down. Oh. He dey listen. Now so I talk and reach. I be shago woman. I be a woman. Now so I talk and reach. Now I come down. I don't even defend this woman.
Okay.
Upon everything where Frank talk, I not defend them.
Okay.
So as I come down, waiting come make me they talking matter like this. One day I want go shopping mall. I say I don't feel every time they use money go the park. Me I just enter tram. Now I enter tram, just judge this woman for start tram. Now this woman just call me. She say Aiku. She say me climb from Victor platform. Me come they call her honor. Me come they call her this one. Why me not make sure her name? Now say yeah. Don't be you first me cannot they measure your name again. Now make me say honor. Because I know her very well.
Okay. Okay, don't vex me. But for real life, this woman, no man don't die for her
He
chest.
not concern me. He may go out from Victor. I not go defend this woman. She's a disrespectful human being. I not defend her. If she want anybody who want to defend her, she go come pay me before I go defend her.
Okay, you pay me when me take stuff for this one, so you pay me.
I not pay you.
Okay, but you cause me will be say you as you take yes, I sleep at the way you cry, come meet me.
Yeah.
But I come out, I don't collect one naira for you. I still constant.
Do you know what, brother?
My sister, lady Aiku. He laugh now. Yeah, we or Dion one or one. Sitting at the area, madam. I protect her. A man in the city, who make sure we no have 10 years no more, so that if you bear the city way, there will be the people to support you. It can reach any city where you did. You can't try to make sure say those people did that city. You want call the bless one at the gate some misunderstanding. Emma, it's not the good. When no na 12 never can get misunderstanding or one or two things, or maybe she invest on you. Now you go do it, go tell like you. Then a city manager and anybody no make me na bumi adi man because people are too bitter. They not say don't prince. They not the way I tell you do my thing. People are too bitter. In the sense so this lady come here, my mama. You see, say that they spoil her name. Even though say 12 not get anything misunderstanding, as they spoil her name, it's your duty to stand for her first. Even though say you fed the verse on her, only as you stand for her to make sure say you talk good against her. I met 50 judge and say, my lady, where say you beg you no time and I need to make peace go your still day. The man say na a peace wa be live. But so obi mama ya say problem get be man. Mary will be maybe no can I settle easily. You come big. I don't see I don't dig back. We are anyway. If you see the way it explain now, that's just because say you say the woman they respect you and you get small hatred for body. Imitero we when one time Frank. Imitero we when one tita. Now just because say the woman not they respect you and when Frank yasaga huna Frank mokwe ni hunaria. Because anybody when you talk say man they die for a neck, my man with the rock leave that woman. That your name not spoil. In the sense so that's not a good. You unmute yourself. That's not the good things.
Wuna mero.
No, imawu raw based on
Where una?
No, imawu even we at about where una we oginye or wu tin ona. Ona ni ele gbe we gbe na. Baba. When no see. Leave me okuna. Ina yin Oka call him about cow. She called me one day. Say I must show her name. I beg her. She jam me for tram. I beg her. If I made mistake, beg no they ease. He know they add me to talk. I don't want to make too often again misunderstanding. Wait, meet yourself.
But you know what will happen? Omomebo can enter life. As Omomebo enter life, I can't use another phone to they watch them. Sharp as 12 o'clock. This woman wait day here so. He say right now 12 don't sharp. Maybe we go swear for Aiku. They start to they swear.
Okay, this woman can't join the good swear for you.
This woman.
After the fight, you know say fight don't start. Many things they
now
happen.
after when I don't beg him.
After you don't beg her.
After I don't beg him for a side tram.
Yeah.
Omomebo can't enter life. She can't open her mouth. She waits make me know they measure her name. She say, Omomebo, if I cook cut her head, come. If you not cut her head, come. Not come at restaurant. That one.
Omomebo can't tell her like that.
No, she can't tell Omomebo like that.
Okay.
I
Okay,
get
this
the
one
video. She get restaurant.
Okay.
I get the video where she take talker. Then in the night, Omomebo can come out. This woman with that what's your nigga? Eketi Niger dog basha webu.
Yes,
Iyana swanti ebo that 12 o'clock.
Mother Aiku is okay. So, Mama, I better meet your side.
Hello.
Hello, Mama, I greet you. Mama, Mama Aiku, meet your side you well.
See,
Mama, wait for you. See the way I ask her question.
yes.
You see the way she explain. The way they take bring your matter. I say now Frank, now I start to the saga you with different lies.
But
But
I
you
don't
see,
hear what you talk. No, don't say
okay.
different
So,
lies, bro. I don't hear what you talk. So may I explain my side? You understand?
Okay.
yeah.
About Omomebo my issue, where they bring her come out for TikTok. You understand? Where
I'm happy for soda. Man.
sorry,
Soda.
no, I know. They talk for phone. I beg.
Happy for soda. Whatever.
Ask them now. No, not with me. Sorry. Hello,
Yeah.
sir. You dey hear me? No verse. Sorry to
Yeah,
for
we dey hear you, we dey hear
interruption.
you.
So this woman, when they bring Omomebo come out for TikTok, you understand? Me too, I dey watch. You understand me? So I know saying I lie, they say the saga person. That one no be an issue. You understand? Okay, as they bring her come out, so they go dey talk. I can't say this woman climb her. She climb her. She don't even know Omomebo. Get one day where Omomebo go follow her. They get down to with each other for this thing. Cause I
Yeah.
don't know. Cause I need money something issue. So
Yeah.
me come ask and say why you always dey like to dey destroy because they destroy Omomebo they go. They tell am say oh use their bow something like that. Tona then in yellow understand. So on it me like to tell money now we nearly leg me now no see I. Me like no never be anya where I take Omomebo I won't have to Wi-Fi. Now only say why
Yeah.
where Omomebo get but man have a joke. Man have because they joke why even joke come out. So and that I even see the woman reach. You understand me? I know they see her like that. So then I see TikTok, they talk about Omomebo, you know, do you know they quarrel, you know, don't settle that. You say they talk about her, they ask her a question, they talk about her, because say you want to bring my name inside, say, you know, say me I don't want my name enter social media. You understand that I beg. Me not even stop her more. Somebody else they two of the way they can't stop and say, go bring you go they come inside there. They don't call you go. They say you go not even talk. They say you go yeah. Now they just cut them off. As they cut them off, so the next they me come find a number, come call and so call and say Aiku, I don't want me my name come out with say social media. Don't mention my name for the platform at all. Don't mention my name for anywhere at all. I don't want. You understand me? From then they'll call anytime my body. I come and say I don't want. Don't bring my name inside at all at all. You understand me? You can't say me I know verse. I can say this one that they accuse. I can't they try to explain to say as a woman say this one where her husband they accuse her for you should not do am o. I did the matter from the beginning to the zero to the end. I did the matter. She
Okay, you
know
got to tell Madam
this
Aiku
woman.
say wetin
Yes, say for
they
four
accuse
say
Omomebo
yes.
for. Omomebo not
Say
one.
Omomebo no do am just to make her understand. Say Omomebo no do that kind of thing no. You no do am. You understand me? That kind of thing no happen. I can't even swear say if it happen. You understand? It no happen. You understand? If it happen, I go no now. It no happen. Me, I did inside. I did to the family. The man and my godfather. You understand? Because say that kind of thing no happen. I quarrel. I normal quarrel. That they quarrel. You understand? It's better. Like so they be say this one quarrel. This one go talk with you go pay. This one talk with you they pay. This one say no, nothing like that. You understand? I can't explain to them. You can't say okay, we can't rest. Because say me I no vest. I can't still rest. So as I rest, so the next day I can't say now she come the saga Omomebo. The one with the saga Omomebo before that one don't leave Omomebo. No the saga Omomebo. But they talk and they call her doctors, they call her many things, they call her different name. You understand me? Because what did they worry this woman? What did this woman problem now? You understand? She was supposed to even call the both of them, settle the both of them, call them. Because me don't try to do them, no work. Call them, call this one, bring them together and ask questions. You understand me? I can't say why you not call Omomebo to ask a question whether you do this, you not do them. You understand me? We can't just talk. We can't hang up the phone. Because I remember because the saga. I know entire platform with the saga. I know even talk put because it no concern me. It's fine. Say person they quarrel. You know if you just I get restaurants, bros. You know if you just tell me person go enter your restaurant, you just because say get out. I don't want you for you. No, you know me say the man my godfather. Me I not follow the woman play because the woman not do anything like that. I don't want to go far, bros. I don't want to go too far because you know go make call people name. I don't want to go too far. So I waiting. I know you all explain. So I can't. They impute mood like you know that it concern me but the thing they pepper me say na wetin this one no do that they saga her so make on your rest. So the next thing like my name they come carry my own come out now. As they carry my own come out because somebody just come and say if me even dey party I dey for party when we dey party when we all reach house in the morning I dey sleep they just send me link like they don already do the TikTok they already saga me. Now I say I can just dey laugh say which kind talk be this? So I can say this woman climb up. He say hey Frankie one of them you know amure hey Belgium government if I lie he say Belgium government now I say hey now you just say now just mute I can say no problem. I go see him. No, I know I no go see him for outside. So I can't call her number. Her number no they go. I swear to God, I can't call her number no they go. I can say okay, one day I go see him for outside. So God so can just come jam her for a side tram. No say inside tram. The next time I for start to the draw. He know me not too well, bros. I go dread anybody dreadable for this Belgium. You understand me? But I have to say okay, may I just leave her because they inside somebody local lock us for side tram. They'll come delay the tram. Then we'll come pay muta. The both of us, as we take delay the tram, we'll pay muta. I just bear money. I still carry money follow, but the money still there with me. Then my bag. So that made me just slow down that day. So I say, Aiku, who you call the call him? Ona. He say, when the guy is 20, when I say, just sister, my face, they carry come out now. You get her to climb up to say, Frank, what have you Lizzie? Is Lizzie? You understand? Mention my name. Ask questions. Say, wait for see Lizzie. I know Lizzie, and I bet all of us there. What did she do? Ask, don't call me as Sonona. I never address you as Sonona. If I see you, I say Aiku. Because he say Frank, you know, no, you just quiet. That's okay. Anyway, no not to reveal not to because anyway when you come down, I go follow you come down today. You'll see what I go do you. You understand me? So when you come down, like I always use and they put a come up for side. I say Ladian. So because hey Rame, I record everything where we they talk. So he come quickly home, he come they beg me, say me I no verse, say you never addressed me as Sonona before. Make I no verse. I can't say okay, me you can see rest. No, cause me bros don't be saying like by mouth. Me I just close that chapter. So we can't just I can't say me I just still wait till this fight till they do now come out. He can't say beg me, can't say okay bye. We can't go. Me can't go my own side. You can't go my own side. Then I can't say Omomebo can come. I can't say Omomebo make it come see. Omomebo can come. If you ask her more, because Omomebo I see Aiku today. See what happen. See what I say explain to you. I can't explain to her like that. Because I say mama if you can say I be call you your phone is inside class. Say mama the thing they pay I can't pay. I can't say worry where I can't say rest. If I could see yourself, if you beg, you go still rest for the matter. You don't do a beg. Like your husband, you go give them. You don't do rest. I call the beg. I say no mama, you no go grill. Meanwhile, before me come, me then Nigeria. That me come Nigeria before after this. Before no, I did Nigeria before this. I get appointment. We want go take it. Me Omomebo. We get appointment. We want to go it for seafood side. We don't go eat for where they said. We don't go there before. We still get appointment to go there to go eat for that place. So as we can't go there, we can't go eat. We can't do TikTok for there. We can't dance for the near river because the place is fine. We can't dance, do the TikTok, eat. After we finish, we even post the food. We go eat everything. We come out. So the next thing. As I said, this woman enter, they swear for two of us. Say, me will come meet her for here again. Me will come meet her for here. He go beat all of us. He go go kill this one. Go kill him. I don't want to mention that to myself. Go kill this one. They swear, brother, the video I go send out to you. If you give me your TikTok, your number, I go send out to you. When they swear for the both of us, they swear for us. They swear. That waiting. The swear was too much. I swear to God.
The time waited they swear so. After he see you and Omomebo go enjoy for restaurants.
Yes, that the next day. We go there on Sunday. On Monday, now we say they swear for the both of us. Say we can't find out. Say what you can't do for a neighborhood. Say what you can't do for the imagine Belgium. Say what you can't do for that place. We say for Omomebo for corner. Say they for coming for here. If they swear for Omomebo, they swear for mama. They swear for your family. They swear for me too. Now say right now this girl have touched the lion's stage. You have entered the lion's cage. Me, I go eat and raw. You understand me? Because Omomebo book appointment with her 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, go meet her for there. Make she can't beat you. You understand me? So exactly, I can say exactly to if you did there, put your live video, but you did there. Exactly to. If anything happen, call me. I'll come meet you for there. Can't say okay. So you can't go there. As he go there, I mean they talk me, I know they lie. As he go there, Omomebo can put the live video on because they call Aiku no come out. Now some Omomebo where you wa, umana mi wa Aiku mugu meni ya usie we get la wa. You know, if you don't see Aiku have break up for me, better do it. No come, if you come, I go beat you, go back. Everything I tell her be that, you understand? Because the thing don't provoke me where you say, if I catch this to my head, I go use the head thing now, brother, you know me now. You know me. So that one come past. So I'm Omomebo come wait there for 1 hour, Aiku no come out. Now because Omomebo close this thing, they come back to restaurants. I go buy you Campari, make you drink. So because since you did, they no come out, so make you come. So you come they talk. So the next day, this one see they curse am, see they curse me join her. Now I can't enter. The thing they invest because okay, me I can't call one woman. I don't want to mention the woman name for you. The woman can say, sister, beg, make her no vest. Because say, I try to they call her. I don't know they go. You don't even block me for her face, for her TikTok. I don't feel they enter alive. Make I talk to her. So the thing I say they talk again. The thing they pay me. I can't call the woman say, give me a number. The woman can't send a number to me. I can't call her. The number don't they go to, bros. If I lie, the number don't they go to. So I can't ask my boy, say, I may I use your TikTok to climb this woman. We say, mama, na my TikTok and I beg. Say, may I open one account for you. The boy come through open one account for me. I know sabi open now. I know sabi do all those stuff. You can't open that for me. I can't climb life. I can't say, Aiku, Omomebo. I can't say, Aiku, what will be your problem? You don't go leave Omomebo for waste. Now, what I thought be that too. If I swear, may ask her, you get the recording. I say, just say, drop me. As he drop me, you know what I mean because you know my voice. Just begin if people wait no better, know what I mean. They talk. Just to begin they curse me. They curse my children, curse my children, curse me. Now, cause say yes, the time has come. You understand me? The hour have come. So I'm gonna put entire life. Now, cause start to the talk. Say anywhere when I see you, we go kill each other. I say no be saying by mouth. If I catch you, you know me. Me and you go die. Me, sorry. I say me and you go buy. So we can't talk finish. You can't begin the cost. They can't begin the cost out too. You understand me? It can't say me not go kill Frank. Say Frank talk say me die for my chest. You understand me? You talk money say me kill somebody. Me make Frank. You want me not go kill Frank. You understand me? So I can't rest. So I can't call my family for. I say see what they happen. I can't send the record to them. Everything, every video. I can't send down to them. So I can't send that to my godfather too for Nigeria. My godmother I can't send that to them. So then it can begin the course. Now I say okay, as we come to Omomebo life, I can say more say course. I can course. Now I can say 12 o'clock you want to never get my bug. I cook on the sweat for that too. You understand me? Because he sweat for me. So I never sweat for the children. Begin the sweat for my children. So my just son. Person will get picking. They keep person picking for night. You understand me? They keep thief for night. So now I can't talk all those things. Now I can't rest. So since then, let me rest for waste. Before yesterday, it was yesterday or day before yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, bros. When Frank State say, Omomebo, because the screenshot and send that to me. Omomebo take off, teach where Omomebo is not my goddaughter. Is not. The husband is my godfather. Omomebo is not my goddaughter. I can't because of him with her husband, they quarrel me, I push her out of my life. No. I didn't know Omomebo through her husband. I didn't know her husband through Omomebo. You understand me? So I have the right. I'm a big woman. I am a woman with the grandchildren. I have every right to play with whoever I want to play with. Nobody can, even my own mother cannot stop me not to play with. Say my mama, somebody they follow my mama, they make enemy. I go they follow, they make enemy. No, my mama not taught me that one. My mama tell me say, we get one day when they follow my mama, they quarrel. Me I not greet the woman for my mama present. My mama slap me with the woman don't pass finish. Say, don't you ever. If I die tomorrow, these people can be the people who will take care of you. Don't you try it. I never tried. I never advised my son to even do that. I have a son of 35 years. I never tell myself to do that. I have a sister here too. I never tell myself to do it. You understand me? So I could make an enemy for man when I see for road. I say do Godfather for waiting now. You know possible. I get my own life to live. Everybody got their own life to live. You understand? I don't do it for her before. I won't continue it again. It's not possible. You understand? There was a time something happened to him and his first wife. Let me cook for this man. I know what happened. Say no good. Let me stand to cook for this man.
That David is
yes, bro. Yes, I don't feel continue again with him. It's not possible. I get my own life to live. You see, I can't call it the one come up for your house. I said, Mom, when I can call your house, when can I come out? You understand me? See, this one, all this one that accuse this one for bros. If I swear, me, I know, if I let me know better, I know that better. She did not do it. She did not do it. Yes, I'm standing to it. And she knows say she don't do it. First say fight come, bros. Wait first, no first. First say fight come. The two of the quarrel, the carry body go station. This one talk say put water for my body. This one talk say break my head. Yes, I don't know. But fine, say everything went to the man's favor. I have people say go because not be waiting. I won't be that. Not be waiting everybody. Not be waiting. Maybe I waiting the woman what I don't know. But not be waiting me won't be that. You understand me? So now waiting when Frank Otta say as Frank carry me come up, you got to talk there. Say when I be Lizimu, when you see Lizi bring come out. If I do the thing where the woman they accuse me of, talk say I do one. You understand? Like what I tell them, I say, if I do, brother, I get the record, when I take all that day. So I say, if I do, talk say I do. Say yes, ogele gboma wa ne, ogele be ogele wujo egwene. Talk like that. But if you don't be like that, say talk say don't be so, don't be like lie, this one lie. Simple. I don't mean you can't defend me. I see, I stand for myself. I will stand for myself, bros. Like juju they come up to what they don't do for my person. Anywhere where they talk, they ask what they for talk. Any of the way they gather talk. I will fight for myself. You understand me? I just know rich like that be that. So let me be that. I say they talk and say, he say that Frank talk. Frank talk say that this woman, I carry I can't give her. Say when they carry me come out, now this one just fell, climb up, and I threw. You understand? Now she first just climb up, talk. Because now waiting Frank top, that say now she they put everything they do for people, she they carry and come. Whether they carry iron, they bump somebody. And I threw the two use iron, they bump somebody. But I was not in the picture. Me and Elizabeth was not in the picture. I was not there. I was not part and parcel of it. I not go prison. For say I not go prison. I did not go to prison.
Sister, wait, now money I cut for your man.
Yes, sir.
This lady
Thank
just
you.
now, lady Aiku, people they write for you say now Mozu friend. This is that. I come and say, Madam, they say now you they carry matter go give a Mozu. I can't say make this lady swear. If now you they carry
Yes,
na matter go give a Mozu, she really swear for you. Everybody there, she swear. She say if now she they carry, if she don't carry any matter go give a Mozu, Franco Mozu, he swear for everybody see her here. Just that people don't talk truth. She really swear.
No, I'll swear again. I'll swear again. No problem.
So swear again, she not there now. If now you they carry, my sister, wait, Lady Aiku, I want me to swear again as the day now. If you don't ever carry any of their matter, go give Frank because I know say Frank they lie. Wait. If Frank the saga person, you go the one use every lies. That make my hand the bitter way. That make if you that look my eyes.
First of
because
he get person where I be.
Wait. So my lady, no man, Frank Omozo na person will be say, oh, I tell you one as sworn, or you want to sworn, or you want to sworn. Why ask? When my guana say, yeah, they can on we can go. Or maybe la Diana, maybe we matter now, maybe we can maybe mama. Because here
no best, bros, no best. I know. Even the say like he said, go reach my TikTok handle. That is the man. The true. The boy don't know the man don't know my TikTok handle. Don't know my name. Who carry my name?
Wait, now make you the listing.
Okay.
So now,
all right.
This lady now she go to swear again. Everybody dey here, Madam, Lady Aiku, I want me you swear again. If now you they carry any matter for Benjo, all those now people for Benjo, you go to give Franco Mozo swear me the whole was hear you.
I'll swear. But first of all, this Lizzie K, she tell me, say she know who carried the matter, go give Frank.
Okay, don't worry, she will still swear. Or maybe first swear you, don't worry.
So
swear
if na me, if I ever for this Belgium carry anybody matter, go give Frank Victor, Frank Obi ye koeti, everything where I come find for my life may not good for me. And all the juju where they serve, if I they talk to them, may they become deaf, may they not hear me again. God, when I they serve, also select where they go. If I they pray, God of Celestia, make it not answer me again. If I have ever in my life call from Victor, carry anybody, not before she, anybody matter from this Belgium, go give Frank, or anybody picture, say that go give Frank. Hey Frank, no your almost warrior, no be ye koeti, keke be me, ne beauty, no be Aiku, iga any matter go Frank it down. Èmi tó gbọ́ lọ́wọ́ àgbọ̀nà ní rẹ́mi o. Èmi tó gbọ́ lọ́wọ́ àgbọ̀nà ní rẹ́mi o. Body gato ga fuye kegbe me. Church ni joto ga fuye kegbe me. Iga leru wena ga gise. Èmi no kama be dagbo me ya fe wena ya. Ko wako de. Ke Nigeria, ke webo. Èmi ya fe ni yo bo na ya bi me ramoto. Wena ya destroy. So pa o. Ima eri pisho ma get Frankie there. Ima emwe mato ma get Frankie there. Frankie ye gbeme ona yo gbeme. Emi ya fe no to nu ga eni. Emi ya no to nu ga ne moreba o. O whatever o. Kemi ya no ire ba ya kya dua. Ya kya dua yo o. Imwe bogbene. Ya dua yo o. Boya fe na etie. Iga hokpa enfa when ya wa di when no to time ma ma hokpa enfa ipole bonania igba hoso Frank no be your coach or do hunwe o hunwo de o hunwo de ide o ugboni ni vehi ugbori hi ya be ni atiebo Iga efe dagbome. Aro e finije, ugboni nije. Iga eje boni matie beba. Eru nana beba. Iga efie pisho magi Frank. Ina erie temerok pa my Frank no kosa ne emanore bejon. Ugboni emitini. Wagume kiyongiyan. Iyan ga gbe me ba son. Iyan ga gbe me ba fan. Iyan ga gbe me bokuye. Iyan ga gbe me bi aye. Iyan ga gbe me bi aye yore. But wa homo no mwe emu wa gi Frank. Wana wu wa do we the other me. Ihe na ya fe ni ti ogare. O je Frank wa o be jofu wa ya.
That means man no more matter give Frank.
O no mwe ge Frank ne. Do they Frank if you know where they Frank gi gbe me ne. Ona do ayo ge gbe me.
Okay.
Wana do kawi mo mwere. When wana no mwe me ni okuwe gbeluwa.
Okay,
Okoni be gbeluwa. Papa nya ibe gbeluwa. Isa go me yore. O gunjo gwaso gwafa. O gwaso gwafa we no pagbe. Be matana.
Okay, obviously. Beg me nutane. All of na see she reach madam mudia wagwan. All of na see say she does swear. And if you madam wa belie ke aseri unwi mayandire ma tugbo e.
Iga witie bonane. Ige ti batie. O ba be se. Iga witie bonane. Ni bo bokpa, ni bo hokpa, ni kolobo, ni kole pastor, ve sele, ve churchi, Pentecost, won tag bona ya fe. Ni ado hwo imegbere. E de ni ara hwo hundred upon 100 okay de gbe sunu.
Okay. Well, see, on my video. So, before this lady go talk, gonna wait. One thing for this social media, that is why me, I know they really like the saga people. All of them know. Then all these guys swear, which is they swear for Frank every time. Now never see the kind you can't give me like that. Because in social media, you know if you can they lie against people. If you want saga person, talk out truth. Not truth, never pay pass lie. If you they use truth saga person, the other person not will reply you. He go keep quiet. Because why? He knows now what they body now you they talk. Most people why they saga for you, they don't they reply me because they know say don't please am matter la dia. Saga. Frank have been doing this thing every time they use like the saga people. Every time. Now make me the beat her every time. I don't know why they beat this boy. Okay, see this lady now. Now you come and see the person they die for the woman neck. And nothing like that. Now when such Tony Kabaka come at that day, where Atiti pull out for their head, he say France still pull out for the Murphy wife. Say now the Murphy wife go to Atiti. That boy go just the lie, the full everywhere. I don't know the money where they find. He may go no gualo. You lie against people.
Baba me wa jake no ma. O hwo nana. Idatie bona isu ni oma. Ora itore ni. Ido tamuwa. Adege mata. Frank itabigbe. But o hwo na eboni atie ba soni. You know serious because you jija eboni. Then Ido tell the truth. Ido tell the truth about her. Ido tell the truth. Share this video. Watch your
So, Frank Omozuo, you see the problem you are causing in this Edusaba space. You are not settling issue. You are causing mayans. Frank, you are causing even these two ladies that is about to get down now. Frank, worek boy. Worek boy. I'm telling you, Omozuo, worek boy. If anything happened to these two ladies today, Frank, worek boy. You believe we will retaliate by some that way? Nobody. You believe we Kevi or Yeke or Deyai. One day, Mama Kevi go collect. Go Maka. One day, Mama Kevi go collect what's not good. You go Maka now because you the hide. I mean where the Roma made they find you they go. I mean where I wait to lay here. Omozuo, I wait to lay here the Italy. You are the cause of all this problem. Now this lady now they swear now. If he never carry matter give you, may you consider swear for your live video. If not be this, if this woman give you, if not this woman give you the matter, all the lie where you put for this lazy body, go swear. If may they die for this woman body, almost will do boy. Omozo, amawe no woka wako woro. So far no me akwaru no ya zo e wo sege. When you will fit there your platform, they insult all these women, they talk negatives against them. But one day, you will collect all this media. Go mark it, I tell you. Omozo, you collect to, don't be play. And you know that way. This nene aga sunune. Enya no make bene. Enya me bua here. The one way they pay me for this side, those people when don't pull out for your head, they'll go be friend with her. Now they hear me so. They'll go be friend with her. I don't know what they do. My brother, like when we tell Nana about him, Nana, because he may yet have you now.
I'm not calling that way. I'm not taking social media that way. They take on you TikTok or you know when what women number what you met you whether
okay, how will he who you be? Explain to the world. Who you be? Tell them. Anywhere, Omomebo, anywhere.
Yeah, Moabe.
Abe.
Yeah.
The Benjo will be ja.
Holland, yeah.
Okay, Holland. Okay, well, then we matter now. Where you the hear with speak English? You the hear with the happen since.
Yeah. Okay, the matter now case no. It's all the way no. Understand.
Okay, so, now speak English, my brother. Speak English, everybody for here.
Matter between husband and wife matter.
Okay.
When we hear this matter, I even call the man. Well, I can't feel for the man becoming a man too. Later, I just okay. We stay clear from this matter. May they settle themselves.
Yeah.
You understand? We don't want to talk with because we don't want to insult the man. So now we stay clear. But what he can't pay me for the matter, I could carry this matter. Come on, this woman I could start to the saga Omomebo. Ask her whether anybody talk, which will leave her. But my grievance is what he can't pay me past. My late mother. We never offend Aiku. We never talk to Aiku. I know Aiku before. Na Sakomba Road for grown. Me self na Sakomba Road. I know where. Aiku can carry my late mother picture come out. Start to the swear. They swear for my late mother. They swear for the children. They swear for the grandchildren. Even the one where we never born. I won't ask Aiku. What to make Aiku do that thing?
Okay. My answer. Mada Aiku la meet us anyway. This bros we call so, he say na Omomebo brother, he be the same papa, the same mama. Now you senior Omomebo, I been a Omomebo senior you bros.
Omomebo direct.
Okay, now you senior Omomebo direct.
Yes.
Okay. The senior brother to Omomebo, the same father, the same mother. Now they call. He say when you and Omomebo they get saga, he say they not talk. He say but you can't carry the mama picture where dog by. You can't they lay curse on the mama, they lay curse on the children. Where the mama get, say why?
Why I do one?
Yeah.
Omomebo insult my children. And Omomebo, she not born. That pepper body, I don't see Omomebo pikin insult. Omomebo say why he insult my children? He said because me insult her. He said because na mama na he see born him. As I insult Omomebo, Eli, she first insult me back. Omomebo can't insult my children. Now I can't tell her, say, okay, no problem. You as you not born, your brother, all their children. Now Saturday is Sunday.
Bro, see the hear what he talk. He say, listen, bro. He say your sister, wait till they do saga, your sister can't insult our own children. He say when your sister they insult her children, he say your sister not born. So you not see picking one insult. Now you carry your sister mama and your sister, you can't insult your mama children. So I may for still pay your sister.
Don Prince, I know say you a man of justice. That's why I call through your line. No understand. Maybe I will not call. I know say you they always.
I don't worry. I get what I'll talk for the matter. Don't worry. Continue.
Just say whether the woman go feel swear because when this saga happen, when this woman come ask my sister say a woman now this particular Aiku I know for Sakomba Road. Why would it wasn't the woman tell say he and the woman not get problem. And they say that man they fuck this woman. Now say okay, I can't tell her say no matter what they happen, may you not talk with what they happen. Just believe say now your husband now they beat you, now he say you give outside. We don't want to hear anything from your mouth because of say we still get respect for this man. They don't say he married you and never divorced, so we not fit talk anything because we don't know what tomorrow may bring. I promise my mother. All this while she they say she want retaliate. I say no. I dare aware, I follow up. I don't, this woman Sagana. So everybody come they tell her say, what thing she do? You don't go rest for this matter. This woman talk one word. They say Omomebo call am. What thing make her the Sagana? Say Omomebo call am one day for install. They come buy follow Omomebo buy head. So Omomebo come tell her say, I seen the young won't die him. He said because of that thing. That make him say, that's why say won't die. He comes to be say now that thing there in since then. That make him come they beat Omomebo. Husband and wife they quarrel. If third party come, what you go settle them. Yeah. If you don't want to settle them before because you get a check for a then you go stay clear from this matter. And you they come Omomebo so you they pretend like say you love her. Who know where problem for the court? Then you come out. You beat her, even Frank. Wait, you can't carry this matter, go give Frank and they tell you Frank start to beat Omomebo. He get money
But
rich.
she don't talk now, say she don't swear, she hear the swear put now say if she never
Now David's son, now he go give Frank.
Okay, when you ask her, please when you ask her, say, hey, Frank,
David's son.
Enter, go they join Frank, they beat Omomebo.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait, fair wait, bro. My sister, Mama Aiku, I beg you get David number. Hello, you get David number. David, you get the number. Unmute yourself.
Talk, I mean, you talk.
No, not be you. I talk to Lady Aiku.
I get David number.
Okay, I beg send David number for my WhatsApp now. I beg send
It is at this phone.
Okay, may I bring you down? Me, you consent, and you climb up again. Okay. Because we need to hear from that David. Because you're say Wahala. We need to hear from her. So, bro, may you go send David number. We need to call David now. So, bro, may I tell you something? This matter come like this now. What we need na settlement. Me go start put from today. And you could not go carry your mama picture come out again. He not go insult you. He not go insult your family again. Now what you will do today? This Lizzie wait dey here so I want to make sure say I settle them. Make Aiku no insult people. Mama, you dey laugh. Hello, Mama, you dey laugh.
Because I they laugh, but you know why they laugh? I don't want to disrespect anybody. You understand me? I bear no verse. Like I don't want to disrespect anybody. Like even in this media, you understand? I don't want to disrespect. I don't want my name normally to be dragged into the media, but it has been dragged into the media. I'm ready to see the end of the dragging. You understand?
Lizzie, may I quickly give you small advice in life. Being used and make parable say, not be the way body take scratch person.
Bro, it's not be like no, I'm not talking about Aiku alone, no. You understand me? Because now somebody like Aiku say me
Aiku say person wey carry the matter go give Frank. He say he go talk her. You yourself, you say you still know person wey carry the matter go give Frank.
Bros, Aiku say who go carry the matter go give Frank? Say Aiku where rest was I know her. I know who carry my matter go give Frank because that yes I get right to date someone. You understand me? I don't stay for 2 years and 3 months. I don't get mad with my life, so I get right to date any man I want to date. You understand me?
Who tells you not get right? Anybody that tells you not get right?
So now what you stop be that? Now they tell you that what you carry that matter go social media be that. You understand me? Now what you stop be that? But me I don't want to talk about that one. You know I don't want to go that far because I know it might need one time. I don't mention anybody. I don't want anybody. Bro, see. Me no even accuse Aiku say Aiku talk this thing no. Bros, wait, I know to be honest, I know accuse Aiku say Aiku na carry my matter go. Now when Frank talk on day before yesterday, now cause okay, that means lobo na and pass and now they reach there because they don't the saga Omomebo before. They want put me inside. Okay, maybe I saw they take carry then I saw they take carry and go they reach each other. You understand me? Everything I think with that. You understand me? Yes, I say I go swear, but bros, I go swear, but me bola there with social media, I no go carry course come out for social media.
So,
I go swear, yes.
I swear, Mama, anybody where they pull out for your head.
Anybody, yes, if man don't ever.
Wait. Any man or woman where they pull out for your head, say any man where climb you, they always the back.
They don't say the back, brother. Wait, no, they don't say wait.
If not true,
wait now. Okay. Bros, wait me. I beg no verse. See, I want me if I don't ever kiss somebody before, like say I go J put, I don't keep it so they call and hope. Me even any name at all. Me can't go J put. May my enemy die, never see tomorrow. No, it not be like that. Anybody wait, gang up, they take gang up against me, they talk. You understand where they talk, but when you're not, they ask what they talk. Oh, one in bell. If a man don't ever climb me, If man don't ever climb me, the man die on top of me. What I call with everything when I get for my life, may it die. But no one ever die for my neck. Like I date man. I date man. Me and the man not there for more than 8 years, 9 years. Man get wife for us. The man come die. What you consign me for inside? No consign me. You understand me? So if man don't ever die for my own chest, me Elizabeth, man don't ever die for my own chest, climb me, they make love to me, the man die. What I can see for this life, everything I get for life, make it perish. But nothing like that happen. We'll see now. You understand, bros? I don't want to go further to that extent. You understand?
All of us here now say this lady wey they call Lizzie now don't swear. Say no man don't die for you her waist. No man don't die for her chest. Any man will climb back. God bless the man well. Now they hear me so. What's about the man fee? Hello, Mafi, I did live or I'll call you. I did live. Okay. They say so even any man will climb away nearer, the man God the bless and well. So more than not go they put all those narratives say person say now they hear me so say if person make love with her, all those things na lie, na saga they use and do. Why I believe if you do, we need people all over the world. This lazy one of the see so this lazy. It not be like that. Now saga, the saga around. They don't say for media. Many people they use lie till they do saga. Mostly Fracomozuo. Most of the saga way they do not lie. I just to do. You know, say if you laugh all this women head, they pepper the way. So now it's a bit. He understand to the use lie till the saga there. That's Fracomozuo for you. So people when they go close to Fracomozuo, no. You understand me? So no. That's why every time what did they pay me? They don't go follow Frank play finish. Then they is set in there. But the priest Agbe Frank Imana. I'm with the priest work with Frank. I might not say Agbe. So only that bolo for. So my lady Aiku.
Ka baba.
Who sent him the number?
Baba, he must send you where. The gui. He must send you where. No be David. He wame no be David. Nidiye mana baba. O Elizina. Benu mo Elizina oduhu. Me wa me ya teme Lizi.
Mama.
Furi ya mu dia baba. Mani no you no do no ban. Iro ti Omomebo. Me no be David. When are you no build that for you ladia?
Please wait, make I tell you one thing. David not carry matter go give this woman.
Now make me want to ask David so. My brother, you get David number. You get wait, you forget to bring David number, bros. Wait. You get David number.
Me, I get David number now. Wait now.
Send her for me, I beg. Because I want to call David now. Because now this woman now Aiku say now David carry. Wait. Bros, wait. Bro, listen to me. Listen, he's not hearing me. Bros, listen to me. See what Aiku talk. Aiku say now David na carry Omomebo matter give us say see what they happen. So we want to hear from David now. David, what gele matter Aiku where? Send me the number. I'm a matter no I'm here now. What's it be?
Aiku carry my mother. This thing I be my own concern.
Your own now. You could not talk your own now. Say
listen, they don't pray. This woman don't know one thing. Everybody get the revenge. Everybody get different spirits. I feel here. Me, I know the people they talk, but I don't cry out. See, Aiku will never have peace again. Except he gave me like when my mother fed do one. If my mother not do you anything, you just carry my picture to mock up to swear for us innocent. You know, not be everybody that is swear. I say Aiku will never see peace again.
Okay, fair wait, bros. Fair wait.
Where will we jouer? Where me peace?
My brother, fair wait first. Bros, fair wait, bros. Glass.
Why cool never? Where will we jouer me peace? Can any juban already? But me peace. Zaga, my first well at here. You do work while at TikTok. Wow. First David Gweme, no yam matter gume. First David, you say not to.
My brother, don't please. Call Bota. Why are you name our Bota?